When the conversation turns to stopping power, the mind almost instinctively conjures images of tactical rifles, their formidable profiles promising decisive impact. We picture long barrels, high-velocity rounds, and overwhelming energy delivery. But what if that conventional wisdom is profoundly mistaken? What if there exists a class of handguns so meticulously engineered, so brutally effective, that they don't just compete with rifles, but in many critical aspects, render them obsolete? Tonight, we challenge that very notion. Forget the dainty six-shooters of yesteryear. These are not your grandpa's revolvers. These are precision-built beasts, forged from decades of ballistic science and chambered in cartridges designed to do far more than just punch paper. We're talking about rounds capable of dropping charging elephants, piercing engine blocks, or delivering more energy than renowned hunting rifles like the .30-30 or even the formidable .30-06 Springfield. Number 8 on our list isn't just a revolver, it's a resurrection. The Colt Anaconda, a name whispered with reverence among shooters, has returned, proving that some legends never truly die. This isn't merely a nostalgic nod to the past, but a meticulously re-engineered beast, blending the iconic soul of the original snake gun with today's peak manufacturing prowess. For $1.699, you're investing in American firearms heritage, a testament to engineering that challenges the very notion of what a handgun can achieve. Built on Colt's robust I-frame, this .44 Magnum powerhouse features precision-machined stainless steel that laughs off the harshest conditions and corrosion. It launches a 240-grain projectile at 1,180 feet per second, delivering a staggering 742 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. That's enough raw force to decisively stop a charging grizzly or punch clean through automotive glass with unnerving ease, capabilities that often demand a long gun. The 6-inch barrel strikes a perfect balance, providing ample velocity without sacrificing the agility no rifle can hope to match in close quarters. Number 7 on our list takes us from American heritage to the pinnacle of German engineering, fused with American firepower, the Korth NXS. Available through Nighthawk Custom, this isn't just a revolver. It's a mechanical marvel, meticulously crafted in precision workshops, redefining what a handgun can achieve. At a staggering $5.299, the NXS isn't merely a firearm. It's an investment in ballistic art, capable of outperforming many precision rifles at a fraction of their maneuverability footprint. Chambered in .44 Magnum, the NXS boasts a DLC-coated frame, a finish so durable it rivals the toughness of most rifle barrels, ensuring longevity and resistance to the harshest elements. Its 416R stainless steel barrel isn't just robust, it's a testament to surgical accuracy, delivering sub-2-inch groups at 50 yards right out of the box, a feat that puts many long guns to shame. Number 6 on our list brings us a titan of ballistic force at an astonishingly accessible price point. From the innovative minds of Brazilian engineering, behold the Taurus Raging Hunter 460, a handgun that marries American cartridge supremacy with a full-on hunting system, all for just $1.269. That's less than many dedicated rifle shooters spend on a single tactical optic, yet it delivers performance that makes most long guns blush. Chambered in the monstrous .460 Smith Wesson Magnum, this revolver launches a 200-grain bullet at a blistering 330 feet per second, unleashing an earth-shattering 405 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. To put that in perspective, you're looking at more raw punch than a venerable .30-30 Winchester rifle, all from a 10.12-inch barrel on a handgun weighing a mere 4 pounds 7 ounces. This isn't just powerful. It's a portable cannon designed to bring down serious game. The Raging Hunter's massive frame is meticulously cut from solid steel billets, housing a cylinder nearly 2 inches in diameter to safely contain the immense pressures generated by this cartridge. Number 5 on our journey through handgun supremacy reintroduces a legend, the Colt Python. This isn't merely a return, it's a renaissance, showcasing everything Colt mastered in revolvers, now refined with modern machining for $1,699. More than just nostalgia, this is the definitive .357 Magnum, a weapon so exquisitely balanced it makes many rifles feel overcomplicated and unwieldy. The Python's storied accuracy stems from a hand-fitted barrel-to-cylinder union, precision work that rivals bespoke custom builds, ensuring every shot aligns perfectly with its target. While the .357 Magnum might seem modest next to the monstrous cartridges we've discussed, its performance speaks volumes. Premium 125-grain hollow points rocket from the 6-inch barrel at 1,450 feet per second, delivering a potent 583 foot-pounds of energy with an exceptionally nasty terminal effect. This isn't just about raw numbers. It's about efficient, devastating impact. The full-length ejector rod housing isn't just for classic aesthetics. It adds crucial rigidity, contributing to the Python's repeatable shot-after-shot accuracy. The ventilated rib isn't merely a design flourish. It actively cuts barrel whip and extends the sight radius, enhancing control and precision. With a target hammer and a single-action trigger brake that's a clean 4-5 pounds, this revolver offers an unparalleled shooting experience. Number 4 on our list plunges us into the unforgiving wilds, where survival dictates absolute, unwavering stopping power. When Alaska's fish and game officers face a charging grizzly at arm's length, they don't reach for a rifle. They grab the Ruger Super Redhawk Alaskan. At $1,499, this isn't just a sidearm. It's straight-up bear medicine, a compact package delivering rifle-level punch from an astonishingly short 2.1/2-inch barrel. This isn't about elegant lines or sophisticated aesthetics. It's about raw, unadulterated stopping force in a package designed for brutal efficacy. Chambered in .454 Casull, this stubby beast drives a 250-grain bullet at a blistering 1,625 feet per second, smashing out 1,466 foot-pounds of energy. That's enough raw force to punch clean through both sides of an engine block, a feat that often requires a dedicated rifle. The Hogue Tamer grip, with its advanced rubber compound, masterfully soaks up the ferocious recoil, while the satin stainless finish shrugs off Alaska's brutal, unforgiving weather. An adjustable rear sight ensures you stay on target, despite the abbreviated sight radius, making it a surprisingly accurate tool for its intended, close-quarters purpose. But where the Alaskan truly leaves rifles in its dust is in sheer speed and immediate, overwhelming impact. Number 3 on our relentless quest for handgun supremacy brings us to a class of its own, the Freedom Arms Model 83. When accuracy transcends all other considerations, when your very survival hinges on placing a bullet precisely where you aim, this is the definitive choice. Priced at $2,994 for the field grade, this isn't merely a revolver, it's a precision instrument, meticulously crafted to deliver custom rifle accuracy from a handgun platform. Built in Wyoming with tolerances measured in an astonishing 10,000ths of an inch, the Model 83, chambered in .454 Casull, represents the absolute pinnacle of American single-action design. From its 4.75-inch barrel, this engineering marvel propels a 300-grain bullet at a blistering 1,625 feet per second, generating 1,755 foot-pounds of energy. Number 2 on our list isn't just a revolver, it's a paradigm shift in handgun design. The Magnum Research BFR. And when we say BFR, we mean biggest, finest revolver. A claim it aggressively backs up by chambering a full-power rifle cartridge, the legendary .45-70 Government. Starting at around $1,200, this isn't merely a handgun. It's arguably the most devastating mass-produced sidearm on the planet, delivering a level of performance that makes most rifles seem utterly inadequate by comparison. From its imposing 7.1/2-inch barrel, the .45-70 Government cartridge propels a massive 405-grain bullet at 1,330 feet per second, unleashing an absolutely crushing 1,590 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. But that's just the starting line. With modern, specialized loads, the BFR can handle 500-grain projectiles at 200 feet per second, generating nearly 600 foot-pounds of energy, with penetration capabilities that frankly exceed many traditional rifle cartridges. Number 1 on our list isn't just a revolver. It's the undisputed monarch of handgun power. At the absolute summit stands the Smith Wesson Model 500, the most powerful production revolver ever manufactured. For $1,569, you're not merely acquiring a firearm, you're investing in the ultimate expression of ballistic supremacy. A hand cannon designed when every other cartridge simply wasn't enough. This is a handgun that delivers more raw power than even a formidable .30-06 Springfield rifle, yet remarkably, can still be carried in a shoulder holster. The .500 Smith & Wesson Magnum cartridge is a ballistic marvel, pushing a 350-grain bullet at an astonishing 1,975 feet per second, generating over 3,000 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. This colossal force is harnessed within an 8.375-inch barrel, weighing a manageable 4.6 pounds. We began this journey by challenging a deeply ingrained assumption that when it comes to raw stopping power and tactical dominance, rifles inherently reign supreme. Tonight, these 8 revolvers didn't just meet that challenge, they shattered it, proving that the pinnacle of handgun engineering can deliver performance that redefines everything we thought we knew about close-quarters firepower and intimidation. From the legendary American steel of a resurrected Anaconda, spitting .44 Magnum with modern precision, to the hyper-accurate German engineering of the Korth NXS, capable of sub-2-inch groups at 50 yards, we've witnessed a spectrum of ballistic excellence. So, after witnessing these titans of the handgun world, which of these powerhouses would earn a place in your collection? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for our upcoming review of the most powerful hunting cartridges that were deemed too dangerous for civilian use.